Hi everyone, this is Edo from Framer. I'm super excited to share an update to the CMS that many of you have been waiting for, which is a brand new type of field called Gallery. You'll find it in the Fields modal under the plus menu right after Image. Once added, you can include multiple images within the same field. That means you won't need to add a separate field for each image anymore, which results in a much cleaner detail view. Galleries are super flexible and offer a few ways to add images. You can of course use the image popout, which by the way fully supports plugins like Unsplash, Lummi and more. You can drag and drop images directly in it, or click to choose a few from your system like I'm doing now. Quick tip, if you're in a rush, you can just drag images directly in the field itself, skipping the popout entirely, which makes it even quicker. Now, let me show you how easy it is to bring these galleries into your pages. In the canvas, I'll open the block detail page, head to the insert panel and find the gallery I just added under the fields category. I'll drag and drop it into the canvas, and you'll notice it auto applies a simple grid layout, which of course you can customize as you please. Now, we know you want to use galleries with the Slideshow and Carousel components, and we're working hard to make sure it's supported in a future update. Anyway, galleries are already a huge upgrade to how you add multiple images in the CMS in Framer, and we really hope you like them. Give them a try and let us know what you think. See you next time and happy building!